Open the packaging box. Take out the accessory box and bicycle. The accessory box contains tools, pedal, warranty card, charger, repainting solution. Remove the protective foam paper. Loosen the 2 screws on both sides of the stem. Rotate the stem forward. Adjust the angle to align with the front fork. Tighten the screws on both sides. Remove the 4 screws from the handlebar and cover. Install handlebar. Install the end cover and 4 screws. Adjust the handlebar to the appropriate angle. Tighten the screws. Installing pedals. Tighten with a wrench. Installation is complete.